Go.
Good morning, everyone. We are the representative of Group 3. And now we are going to report the next step of online research.
Go.
First, pick a topic and research question. The process begins by selecting a specific subject and formulating a clear focused question that the research aims to answer. Second, figure out your research strategy. This involves planning how the where to research for information, including identifying the best databases, search engines, or other resources. The third step, add keywords to your topic. Relevant keywords are identified to help refine researches and find more target information efficiently. Fourth step, find possible sources. The next step is actively searching for and locating potential sources of information such as articles, books, or reputable websites. And the fifth step, evaluate the sources. Sources are critically assessed for credibility, relevance, accuracy, authority, and potential bias to ensure that information is relatable. The sixth step, skim and take notes. Key information from selected sources is identified by skimming the content, and relevant points are noted down for later use. The seventh step, formulate a thesis statement. A clear, concise statement is developed that presents the main argument or point the research will make. The eighth step, outline your paper and add example. The structure of the final paper planned using an outline, incorporating the gathering notes and potential example to support the thesis.
Go.
The ninth step, write and cite your sources. The final step involves writing paper based on the outline and notes, ensuring all information from external sources is properly cited to avoid plagiarism. And that's all the 9 steps